Hello and welcome to a new vlog and trip report, and today we are traveling on a railway line between Schwedt and Angermünde in the east of Germany, and here on the map you can see our route today. We are traveling with two different trains and two different train companies. We're starting with the RB61 of the Niederbarnimer Eisenbahn with the RegioShuttle, and then we are going back with the RE3 of Deutsche Bahn with the Dosto. Here we are at the station of Schwedt, the end of the line, and here we can see the arrival of my RegioShuttle of the Niederbarnimer Eisenbahn. Here we can see the interior of the train, which is pretty nice. It has the typical comfortable seats of the RegioShuttle, but also small tables and even power sockets, so it is a quite comfortable RegioShuttle. It's still quite interesting that there is a RegioShuttle on that line, because the whole line is electrified, so there could have been an electric train on the line, but still the RegioShuttle is a diesel train. But this will change in the near future, and the RegioShuttle will be replaced by the Siemens Mireo Plus B, which is a battery train, and the other train that we will take back is an electric train. But why are there two different trains on the same route? Well, it has nothing to do with Regional Express and Regional Train, Regionalbahn, Regional Express. Both are stopping at exact same stations in between, only two, Schwedt oder Mitte and Pinnow-Uckermark. But the difference is that the RE3 is coming from Berlin, going all the way to Schwedt, and is only going every 2 hours. The RB61 is only going between Angermünde and Schwedt, also only 2 hours, so together there's a train every hour. And with the regional train RB61, when you arrive in Angermünde, you have a connection on to a train to Berlin. And that's why there are two different lines. The RB61 is the additional train to the RE3, so that you have a train once per hour. Here we are approaching the station of Angermünde. Here I'm leaving the train, and now I'm waiting for the Dosto of Deutsche Bahn to take me back to Schwedt, and now we can see the arrival of this train here at the station of Angermünde. Of course, we're going to take a look at the interior of the train. It is the typical interior of the Dosto here in this area of Germany, so we have comfortable seats, big tables and power sockets. With this train we are now going back to Schwedt. We were delayed because we were waiting for a delayed train coming from Stralsund, so that the passengers from this train have the connection on to Schwedt. That's why we were now also delayed for about 10 minutes. We're now stopping in Pinnow-Uckermark and Schwedt oder Mitte, and then we are reaching the station of Schwedt. There used to be more stations in between: Myro, Pinnow-Uckermark Ost, Niederlandin, Schwedt-Heinersdorf and Schwedt oder West. All of them have been closed in the 90s, exactly in 1995, due to only a handful of passengers using them. The only station that was not completely closed was Schwedt oder West. It has just been moved a bit, about 900 meters, and was renamed Schwedt oder Mitte. but the other stations just have been closed. The landscape here is not too spectacular. Like on most railway lines in this area, you can mainly see very big fields, a rather flat landscape, so it's not a very spectacular landscape that we can see. Here we can see some sunflowers, that was quite beautiful, but otherwise it's a not too spectacular railway line. But still, for me it's always interesting to see a new railway line that I haven't been on yet. Here we are now slowly approaching again Schwedt. There are also almost no branch lines from this railway line, only some industrial railway lines. And the line ends after 23 kilometers in Schwedt. After that there's 3 more kilometers to a paper company, but that is not used for passenger trains. Here we are approaching the station of Schwedt-Oder, where the train was changing directions and going directly back to Berlin. Usually it should have a waiting time here, but as we were delayed, the train had to go back immediately. And before leaving, we can take another look at the interior of the train. As you can see, there are no tables at the airline style seats, so make sure to get a base of 4 or 3 if you want to have a table. And here we are leaving the train. In the next videos we are continuing with the Princess through this landscape, but there will be a bit more spectacular. Here you can see when this next video will be uploaded and the name of the song. As always, I'd like to say thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to comment, like, subscribe or share the video link, and I hope to see you in my next video then.